All right, in this video, they want us to investigate the angle side congruence criterion. So I'm just going to talk about what it is. We're not going to do a whole investigation. Here's a triangle where we have a congruency mark on one angle and a congruency mark on the other angle. Now, in the last video, we learned about angle side angle, where the side is included between the two angles. So if this was angle side angle, we would have side AB with a congruency mark. So this is angle side. If that S is on the end, that means that it is a non-included side. So is side AC included between our two congruent angles? And no, it's not. So you have two angles and a non-included side. This is what that could look like. Let's just draw another example using the same triangle ABC. And we have angle A is congruent to angle A. Oh no, we're not saying that we're not saying these is congruent to this. I just want to show you that another example of angle, so this is angle side angle. Here's another example of angle side angle. If you have two congruent angles, in this first example, we have AC as our non-included side. You could have BC as the non-included side. If you notice, when you have two congruent angles, there are two sides that are not included between those. And either one of those could have a congruency mark for us to have angle, and a non-included side. Angle, and a non-included side. Okay, so we have our angle congruence theorem. If two angles and a non-included side of one triangle are congruent to two angles and a non-included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So a visual of that, let's say we have triangle ABC, we have triangle DEF. Let's say we know that angle A is congruent to angle D, angle C is congruent to angle F, and then if we have a non-included side congruent, so I'm going to mark side BC. Now over here, I have two non-included sides. If the same side is marked congruent, if the same non-included side as over here is marked congruent, so that would be side EF. Now we have angle side, angle side, so we can conclude that means that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF.